You have zero problem being there for people. You can sit on FaceTime for hours, listen to your friend's drama, answer every "Are you awake?" text at 2 a.m. But try to sit with your own life for 20 minutes, and you're done. You can suffer for others for years, but you can't set one boundary for yourself. If that feels uncomfortably accurate, this video is your mirror. You keep saying, "I'm a good person. I don't deserve this." You did what you were told. Be kind, be honest, be helpful. Don't hurt anyone. And still, you're the one who ends up exhausted, ignored, or straight up miserable. Here's the brutal truth. Your problem is not that you're good. Your problem is that you're unaware. The world is not divided into good people and bad people. It's divided into people who are awake and people who are asleep. You can be an unaware good person and destroy your whole life while feeling morally superior the entire time. Look at how you help. A friend calls you crying. "They treated me like trash. I'm so broken. Can you please come over?" You drop everything, drive across town, sit with them for 3 hours, say all the right comforting lines. Next week, they're back with the same person, same drama, same tears. Did you help them? Or did you just make their cage more comfortable? Or someone says, "I hate my job. I want to start something big. I just need a little support." You give them your time, your money, your energy. Months later, they're still complaining, still stuck, or building something that goes against everything you actually believe in. But in your head, the story is, "I'm such a good person. I'm always there. I'm the one who shows up." The truth? Most of your help is blind. You don't really see who they are, what they actually need, or what your help is doing to you. And blind goodness doesn't just fail them. It slowly kills you first. So what do you do with all that silent pain? You turn it into a movie in your head. I did everything right. I was loyal. I was kind. I never betrayed anyone. And life still did me dirty. Everybody else becomes the villain. Fake friends, users, narcissists. Your ex was trash. Your family didn't appreciate you. The world is just cruel. And you're the noble, pure, misunderstood main character who life has always been unfair to. That story feels good because it protects your ego. But it's also the reason you stay exactly where you are. As long as you only see yourself as good but unlucky, you never have to look at where you were blind, where you ignored red flags, where you kept giving after every sign told you to stop. Awareness never feels motivational. It feels like getting slapped with your own reflection. It sounds like this. No, life didn't randomly target you. You overgave. You ignored your own needs. You called it love, loyalty, kindness, but it was fear, guilt, and blindness. That hurts, but that hurt is cleaning you. The day you stop obsessing over being the good one and start asking, is this intelligent? Is this aware? Is this honest with me? That's the day your suffering actually starts to decrease. Don't aim to be the good guy life keeps hurting. Aim to be the one person in the room who is awake. Goodness without awareness is how you become miserable and then blame the whole world. Awareness will cost you some people, some stories, and your favorite excuses, but it will give you your life back. If this stung a little, don't run from it. Sit with it. That discomfort you feel right now, that's the exact place your life starts to change.